me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
I told myself I need to stop it. Wanna take my bitch on the island, do whatever to see you smiling. When I give her what she hollering, but I never thought about going hiding. No, my baby, my baby, my baby. Might cop you a new Mercedes. You be driving these little bitches crazy. You be driving these little bitches crazy. We even had thoughts on the baby. We even had thoughts on the baby. Before they say we too damn old to be playing. Why tell me some shit if you know it's a lie? Why say you fuck with me but then leave my side? There was so many times when I needed you by. Still fall alone, all I could do was cry. Feel love like a drug, this shit got me so high. My feelings too strong, through my pride to the side. I be thinking about too much, I hope I don't die. Got that new needing, we gotta survive. No bag on bag, I got it. Want me and your city, send me your device. They talk on all they do is gossip, but that's the main reason I don't fuck with nobody. The niggas I roll with, they wildin'. I pray to God I don't have to step on nobody. I know that they watching, to the streets forever, I'm locked in. No money, on money, keep piling. This shit keep piling. New bag, brand new deposit. Brand new deposit. Fuck drip, I don't need no stylist. I don't need no stylist. Go to plug, I ain't talking about cycling, no. I ain't talking about cycling. I ain't on no mileage. Percocets out the side of my body. I thought about taking them Roxys, but I told myself I need to stop it. Wanna take my bitch on the island, do whatever to see you smiling. When I give her what she hollering, but I never thought about going hiding. No, just want you smiling. Forever I'm with you, love this feeling if you rollin' them rockin'. Let's run up some money together, leave out them broke bitches wild. Like what the fuck is we gon' do otherwise? It's crazy how I send $1 million. I dropped out of school and I ain't go to college. Bitch, give me more nigga than the college. She fucked the whole team before on the roster. Can't fuck with that hoe, she got body. She ride too much dick, that girl got too much mileage. We be thuggin' and clutchin', we up with them books, and I swear I'm surrounded by shots. I already got too many problems, I go through a lot of that's why I just need me a ride. Tell the truth, do you really love me? Do you really fuck with me? Tell the truth, do you really love me? Do you really fuck with me? Tell the truth, do you really love me? Do you really fuck with me? Wanna show you what you never seen. This island costs 23. No money, on money, keep piling. This shit keep piling. New bag, brand new deposit. Brand new deposit. Fuck drip, I don't need no stylist. I don't need no stylist. Go to plug, I ain't talking about cycling, no. I ain't talking about cycling. I ain't on no mileage. Percocets out the side of my body. I thought about taking them Roxys, but I told myself I need to stop it. Wanna take my bitch on the island, do whatever to see you smiling. When I give her what she hollering, but I never thought about going hiding, no. Thought about going hiding, no. Island, take my bitch on the island. I'm on the block with the gas, now I'm on text now. I'm on the block with the Glock and I'm gon' whack now. Feel like they too-tone. Oh fuck that bitch, where you home? I'm on the block, I'm in the zone. I'm getting me out right now. Get me out right now. Bad bitch, you tryna get thrown. Bad bitch, tryna rob you down. Yeah, I be edge now. Tatted on my chest now. Slide doors on the vet now.
I can't wait to blink. There's some haters that ain't fucking with the mug, nah. If you put that ain't with me, that's not my job, nah. I pop out and do a jump and do a jump, when you pull up with the blick, yeah, we gon' spread ya. Pockets up below the silver rim, huh? How you know about all this shit, man, you a fucking spot. We are monetized, baby, got a feeling. You know your thought she suckin' dick, she bring the million. Once I get a hit, I get a million. I run this city like a demon, like a villain. Bitch, I take these Percocets, I think I ain't got no feeling. Riding in the double toga bricks, I see the ceiling.
Feeling like I'm trapped in my damn mind. Tell the feeling like I'm rapping a damn lie. Tell the feeling like my life is a damn game. Nigga really wanna die in the nighttime.